Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and please forgive me for not recording no intro and outro because y'all all went out and got drunk and I thought I was gonna come back and do it, and I don't know why I thought that, that was my bad for lying to myself. So all I can do is tell y'all how good I look in this layered hair from RPG Hair, and I hope you guys stick around for the tutorial. And this time I got my theme song, so let's hit that. Woo!
All I gotta say is mwah! And you already know who it is.
Now this unit did come pre-plucked and everything, but I definitely had to fix it up because it wasn't given the way I would like to personally give it. So I'm about to have JaLeah from the night before I installed this wig come and talk to y'all about that after I flip it on and show y'all what it was looking like when I threw it on. Like that, it was given. It was given. But let me show y'all what it looked like straight up out the box. Yo, it's late as hell. I just was like, let me just open this box to see what this wig talking about, right? Why ain't come out the box? Like I just fixed it up a little bit. I'll show y'all what I did. I was like, let me just see, because it seemed like it was curled already. I'm like, let me just see what this would do. And boom, it's curls in this wig. And I could just see like somebody who doesn't really like do hair just being like, I'm gonna just flat iron it a little bit, maybe do the curl in the front. But this is curled. Like this is fresh out the box, mind you. And I don't have a problem with this being so overplucked in the front, not really much on the sides. That's just my personal preference. But it's really my first impression. Like I really just was like, let me come on here and talk about it because I think this is really crazy. So I think I'm gonna style this wig like this because I think I want to do some like really nice layers. But these curls right out the box, I really had to come on and talk about them because that's so convenient. And like, I can see how somebody could like finesse this real good, like right in the box. Good night. See y'all for when I record the video and have a beat on. I was convinced I was going to talk in this video, but then once you got to get ready to go out with your friends and like your time is like looking in your face, like you only got 2 hours to get ready, it just don't give talk to the camera. But I do really want to do that soon. I have lots to say. I have lots to rant about, and I'm sure somebody out there would love to hear me talk about all the things I don't like right now. But this ain't that video. I'm just gonna do my hair, which I really like this hair. So, let's stay positive in this one. I'm just getting my hot comb and just, get my middle part together before I get to installing, just making sure everything is where it needs to be. And I was really enjoying the highlights on this hair. Ignore the big fat ass bun in the back of my head. I need to start being more mindful of what's going on in the back of my head because them buns be too big and my head be looking ridiculous. But the highlights was looking real cute. So I went ahead and got my ear tab cut out, and I'm about to do this right here. The wig fit about perfectly to my head, so wasn't too much hair I had to cut off, and I just went ahead and scissored that up. And if my silver professional hair scissors are watching this, please come back home. I've been having to use these black hair store scissors and all different types of scissors. That ain't the scissors I need. Silver professional style scissors. Please come back home. The kids miss you. I put 2 slits in my hair. I put the wig to the back. I'm about to start hitting this first layer of the evening spray so that it can be nice and tacky and hold still when it's time for me to do that second layer. Now I'm gonna get this first one all done and dry. And yeah, I decided I'm not gonna make these too drawn out. If you came for the style, let me show you the style. I'm gonna show you this one good time. So, actually I don't think I'm gonna show y'all twice. But I ain't gonna show y'all as much as I usually do because I feel like at this point, who don't know how to put on a wig? And every now and again maybe I'll do like a fully detailed install because, every now and again I think somebody needs that. Especially since I learn new things and I try different things and it's like, ooh, I can add this to my regimen and then that can be the detailed style. But as for this, a little spray, a little blow dry, a little press down into the lace. That's it. I'm gonna do that for all 3 sides. I'm using this silver rat tail comb to just press. I don't know why I felt like I had to call out the color, but rat tail comb to press this into the lace and just make sure that it's, doing what I need to do. And this how I be putting on my wigs as of late. I really enjoy it and it be lasting me a little bit. But also, if I want to take that bed off before I go to sleep, not that bed off, I want to take that wig off before I go to sleep, then I can go straight to bed, no problem. But I went ahead and hit the other side, did read the same steps, pushed it into the spray, and I'm gonna blow dry it, and just like that, like there. Thank you to RPG Hair for sending me this unit and sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate it, and I was really in love with this unit. I actually forgot to show you guys the cap construction, and that's really my bad. I was too geeked about the color and the, how it came curled, and not even tell you that it's a U part, not a U part, a U-shaped frontal. It's when it's not straight across all the way. It's just like a nice big old U in the back, so you can do a middle or a side part, not that far to the side. It's one of them.
But this unit is really cute, so I overlooked it, and the lace is HD. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do my little middle part and call it a day. I went ahead and raised it off my lace, and then I added some of that even spray to the back of that little spatula, and I pressed that on in there, and I'm gonna repeat that on all the other sides, as I should. And once I got that little pesky piece that wasn't trying to stick down, I go ahead and put on this elastic band and just let that sit while I go ahead and layer up my hair. Now, I had a very different goal for these layers and what I wanted them to look like. It ended up real cute, so I'm not going to tell y'all what I wanted. And maybe if you know, you be on Instagram, you know what kind of look I was going for. But did I achieve it? No. And was that razor comb the one? No. Do I need a new one? Yes. Is these scissors the one as well? No. How am I supposed to layer some hair with not good scissors? That's where I fucked up at. So next time y'all see me and I'm cutting some hair, it's going to be some silver scissors because I did myself a disservice with this one. But I'm just attempting to get some layers going, starting a little bit below my chin and at an angle so that when I go to curl the hair or, bump it, it looks the way I would like it to look. And, I'm just trying to add, multiple layers so that looks right. And so also where I fucked up at was I should have did this on the mannequin head. If I would have did it on the mannequin head, I would have got more layers and they would have looked, a little bit differently. I also did this little upward cutting motion. However you got to get your layers is how you got to get your layers. I'm not going to judge you about how you do it. I hope you're not going to judge me about how I did it. I see you like some cosmetologist sitting there like, oh my God. Both hands to the head. Stress. Please, ma'am, I never went to school. I just be pulling it out my ass every time. And it be looking halfway decent. So I'm going to keep pulling out my ass. And hopefully something will turn out of it, Anyway, enough about my ass. Let's go ahead and see, I don't like when ends aren't blunt. When that little, I don't like it. I like blunt ends. I'm just making the ends a little bit blunt. I'm cutting off like a good, like an 1.5 inches just to ensure that the ends is blunt. I'm going to go ahead and bump them. I don't think I cut it out of, the clips, but I went ahead and bumped them as well. Took off that elastic band and it was giving scalp. So I had to smile about it real quick, You don't smile when you take your elastic band off. Is you even looking good for real? I went ahead and pulled out my baby hair. I like to start where I started at and just, you see what I did. That's what I like to do. That's how I be doing it. And I pull them out to the front. I got me a little Sebastian Saver Plus on the root of it so I can hot comb that shit to the back and hot comb them baby hairs to the front, as you see. And this is where stuff started coming together. I'm getting bothered. You feel me? My friends waiting on me to do my hair. I'm thinking it's gonna be a whole different setup than it was. My friends talking to me. You feel me? We in here singing songs, getting turned before we go out to see what we gonna see, where we gonna be. And yeah, so here's me razoring off my edges badly. Get a new razor comb. Get a new razor. Why ain't nobody taking me to the hair store yet? Why ain't the hair store sponsor me yet? I remember at one point my car would be like, you going to the hair store again? You know how your car be like directions? You going to the hair store? It's like, no man, I'm going to McDonald's. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut them up so get all them extra strong, straggly long hair pieces, and then I'm gonna go ahead and curl these downward. That's the way I like to do it. And once I curl them and it looks real good like that, I go ahead and comb them down. Comb them down with your comb with no product. When you do this, it just gets them prepped for what you're finna do. So what I'm finna do is add some edge booster. And sometimes it's like a love-hate relationship with the edge booster. Sometimes it looks good, sometimes it don't. I realized my camera was off, so I had to adjust that real quick. And then, I put it to the base of the baby hairs and swoop them bitches down. And that's all I gotta say about that. Maybe I'll do a in-depth tutorial about my baby hairs on TikTok or something. I've been meaning to like get in my TikTok bag, but every time I do a TikTok, it'd be taking fucking hours. It'd be a 15-second TikTok taking me hours, But anyway, the baby hair is looking good, so I smiled about that too. And then I got my part together. This takes me a minute, I really shorten it down for y'all, but I really be getting in there with the hot comb. It's a must to get in there with the hot comb. And that's me doing a courtesy and showing y'all which brown liner I use. Now it varies. Today this is a Wet n Wild cold eyeliner. Definitely not no lip liner. You feel me? Whatever brown liner is nearby, I'm using it and I'm putting it on my lips. Whatever nearby dark brown is what it is. So it could be a NYX one day. It could be, a Kiss one day. You feel me? It could be this Wet n Wild one. Today I got this NYX gloss. I believe this one is linked down below. And this is what I just do. This is my lip combo. Y'all always ask what's the lip combo. It's a brown liner and a nude gloss. It's any variation of the two. It could be any one, you know. You just got, and then I lined it up again. This is just me doing y'all a service because I know y'all be like, what's the lip combo? There it is. It changes frequently though. So this is where, you know, it's getting about that time to leave the crib. And you feel me? I'm like, damn, I'm trying to flip this hair. It's not flipping right. And I'm a little too close to the camera. I had to back it on up. I'm running into the wallpaper in the back. It's bent and shit. But you know, I'm trying to get up out of here. But I'm realizing I'm curling the hair instead of bumping it. And it was pissing me off. As you can see, I'm getting pissed off. And so I'm like, okay, let's add some more layers. Like I said, I should have layered it off my head. That's what I should have did at first. And I should have did with some real professional grade scissors. But I didn't do that. So, you know, I'm not too pleased by what's happening. I'm realizing I'm curling it. And I'm like, what the fuck? Does this look like a face of somebody who's pleased with what's going on? It's not. It's face of somebody who's stressed and their friend's about to leave them. You know, but anyway, I'm trying to curl it. I'm trying to layer it. I'm trying to bump it. I'm trying to layer it. I'm trying to bump it. And all in all, I'm like trying to figure out which way is the way to get to bump the way I want it to lay. But it just wasn't doing it the way I needed it to. But, you know, I was trying my best.
Curvalicious, pussy serve delicious. Mayday, mayday, earth to bitches. Like we birthing bitches. This, that, yeah, nigga, eat the cookie face.
Yeah.
So the Nicki verse got me back in my bag and realized, like, if shit ain't going how I think it's gonna go, I gotta make it work how it's gonna work, you know? So I did this little motion, and it was, like, doing it what I needed it to do. So I'm like, that's kind of cute the way it's layered to the back. It reminds me of, like, 90s fluffy hair, you know, what the white bitches be wearing. And I gotta watch how I talk about people, you know, like the white bitches, the white women of the 90s used to wear their hair like this. And I really liked it. So I'm like, this ain't what I was really trying to go for, but also, like, I gotta go, you know? The friends are waiting on me and they want to leave now. So I'm like, okay, let's curl it that way then. And I'm like, okay, this is kind of cute. It's giving kind of the vibe I was going for, but also not really. So I'm gonna have to do this again, but the way I need it to be. So at this point, I'm like, you know what? This is cute enough because ain't nobody gonna beat my ass with my hair. And, you know, I'm a bad bitch regardless. And the highlights were so cute that it was like, even if the style did not go how I wanted it to go, like, at least my highlights was popping, you know? And I really did like this layered look after it all. I got some really cute pictures of myself in this hair. So hopefully I post those on my story, and that's how you got to this video. But anyway, here's what the layers was looking like. I was really feeling it. I'm so sorry for not coming back and talking to y'all about it, but I really had to go. I really thought I was gonna come back, but then I got drunk, y'all. I got super drunk. Thank God I made it home, you know. It's one of them times. But anyway. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and leave me a sweet little comment telling me you liked it. I don't care what you say. Just tell me, like, this was cute or something. And follow me on Instagram and like the video. And send it to your mama. Send it to your friends. Alright, that's me commenting. I'm about to go ahead and out of here. I love you, beautiful. Bye.